Hello everyone, my name is Ryson and welcome to rysonsspraybooth. And guys, in my last video, I had applied primer on this car bumper. And after applying primer, my bumper is now looking like this. It is still wet guys, so I will allow it to dry for one night and tomorrow I will start working on it. So in this video, I will apply paint on this bumper and I will finish the paint job. If you guys have not watched my last video, then I will put a link of it in the end screen so you can later go there and watch that video as well. And you guys can watch there how I have started the preparation of this bumper. So guys, even this video is going to be a very interesting video. So see that you like the video now only. And if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe. So come on, let's start the video. So here my primer is now dry completely. I have allowed it to dry the entire night. So the whole night it dried completely. And this morning, now I will start to work on this bumper. So I will take a sandpaper and I will start with the sanding process. Now what I'm doing here is I'm doing water sanding. So once I do the water sanding, this primer will smoothen out and give me a flat surface. So I had not applied the primer on the entire bumper. I had only applied the primer where there are scratches or where I have filled the scratches up with the putty. So only the putty I had covered with the primer because the rest of the paint was okay. But now when I'm doing the sanding, I will do the sanding to the entire bumper because this will be the last sanding. Because once I'm done doing this sanding, I can apply paint on this bumper. So I will be applying the base coat clear coat system on this bumper because on this car there is base coat clear coat system. There is metallic paint on the car. I have already matched the paint and I have brought. So here I am done water sanding my entire bumper. And once I was done with the sanding, my bumper looked something like this. And as you guys can notice that there is paste formed on top of my bumper. So that's okay. It should be like that. Now the next thing that I will do is I will rinse this bumper with water. Once I rinse this bumper with water, it will become nice and clean and all the paste which has been formed through sanding, all that paste will go away. Now while rinsing it with water, see that you use one of your hands to get rid of the paste like this. If you just apply water, this paste will not go. If you are spraying with high pressured water, then it can go. But if you are using pipe water like this, then you will have to use your other hand to get rid of all the paste. So once you are done washing the bumper, you will have to give it some time to dry. So once the bumper is dry completely, you will have to use a wax and grease remover and wipe the entire bumper. Now this wax and grease remover will take out all the wax, grease or grime which is there on the surface and it will leave the surface nice and clean. And guys, when your surface is clean, your paint will bond to the surface well and it will give a good protection to the surface. So I will allow it to dry a little bit and in that time I will mix my paint. So here I have matched the paint and I have bought it from the paint shop. The name of this paint is Pearl Silver. So I will mix the paint inside of the tin itself first because this is metallic paint. There are pearls and xerillics inside of this paint. So those things get settled down at the bottom of the paint. That is the reason why you will have to mix the paint inside the tin itself first. Then I will take the paint in my mixing cup and I will add reducer to it and I will mix it properly. Once I mix it thoroughly, I will put the mixture into my spray gun cup. And then I will set up my spray gun. I will set the PSI. I will check my spray pattern. I will set my fan width. And once I am done with all of that, my spray gun is now ready to spray the paint. So immediately I will wipe the entire bumper with a tech cloth. And once I am done wiping the bumper with a tech cloth, I am ready to spray the paint on the bumper. So here I have already started to spray the base coat on the bumper. So here I will be applying 2 or 3 coats of base coat and I will apply 2 coats of clear coat. Now you should be stopping to apply the base coat when you feel that your right color is come and is matched with the surrounding panels. So within 3 coats most of the time I get a good coverage. So after applying the first coat I will wait for the flash time to pass and then I will apply the second coat. So here I am done applying my first coat. I have allowed it to dry for some time and once it is dry, now I am wiping it again with a tech cloth and taking out all the overspray. Now this paint job I am doing at home as you guys can see. Now just to paint a bumper like this you don't need a big spray booth. You can do it easily under a metal shade. But see that you do it during the daytime because if you do it during the night time then the flies will come, the bugs will come and they can ruin your entire paint job. So avoid doing the paint jobs during the night if you are doing it under the metal shade. So here now I am applying my second coat. Once I am done applying the second coat, I will check if I have got the good coverage. If I feel that I have not covered the bumper well, then I will apply another coat. This is a metallic paint guys. So you should be extremely careful with the coverage. Otherwise you will not get a good coverage. So guys, here I am done applying my 2 coats, but still I feel it needs one more coat. So here my flash time has passed, and now I will apply the third and the last coat of base coat, so that my bumper will have a nice coverage. Now this third coat I will apply mostly in the main area, or where I feel there is a need for more paint. So once I am done applying this coat, the next thing that I will apply on top of this is the clear coat. And to apply the clear coat also, I will make use of this same spray gun. Now as you guys can see, inside of my spray gun there is still a little bit of paint left. You can keep this paint in a tin, but you can't keep it for too long because you have already mixed reducer inside of this base coat. Like this type of small wastages happen guys, so don't worry about it. So as my base coat is getting dry, I will start to mix my clear coat, and once I am done mixing the clear coat, immediately I will start to clean the spray gun. So take the clear coat inside of the measuring cup, add reducer to it, add hardener to it, and mix it well. So I will mix this mixture and I will keep it till I am done washing my spray gun. So without wasting any time, I will start to clean my spray gun. And once I am done cleaning my spray gun, I will put this mixture inside of my spray gun cup. Then I will set up my PSI, I will check my spray pattern, I will set my fan width, and with that my spray gun is now ready to spray the clear coat. So here I have already started to spray the first coat of my clear coat. Now the moment I spray the clear coat, you guys must have noticed that the high gloss has started to come. Like this only it should happen guys. The moment you spray the clear coat, you should notice the high gloss. If you are not getting the high gloss, then you will have to set up your spray gun correctly. So I will be applying 2 coats of clear coat here. Now this clear coat is just like a protection to your base coat. This will not add any color, or it will not add any sparkle to the metallics. This will only give your bumper the protection, and it will make your bumper look glossy. If there is no color on one of the spot on your bumper, then you should be applying base coat there. Even if you apply 10 coats of clear coat, it will not bring in that color. See that you remember that. So here I am done applying my first coat of clear coat. So I will wait for the flash time to pass, and I will apply the second coat, which will be my last coat. So here I am applying my second and last coat of clear coat. Once I am done applying this coat, I am done with the paint job on this bumper. And after that, I can put this bumper back on the car. So I will let it dry, and I will put the bumper on the car, and I will give you the final looks. So guys, if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, I will meet you guys in my next videos. But before that, let's see the final shots of this bumper.